You want to be because normally they always remind them of character, you know? Yeah. Why? Because we're down to earth.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys are so sexy, but we only talk to guys who dance to African music.
Okay. That's okay, so sorry to my child. You're accusing some of people. That's very rude.
Listen to me. Okay,
listen to you because your blood clot wrong. Don't fucking do that again. And you'll finish up and put it on Facebook and tell people on the blood clot out of order. You pocket pussy wall. You don't need to go on social media. Fucking out of order. How dare you come and tell my pity about him a thief, eh? And I style him as black thief, eh? You una blood clot thief can walk and fuck off in the whole nation. You walk and fuck. Touch me your blood clot, see? Touch me your see? Touch me your blood clot, see? Fucking boy. Touch me your blood clot, see? Let me mash up your place. Touch me your pussy clot, see? On the fucking pussy wall. While I walk and this is for people. Your face is nasty blood clot. I want to mash up your face. Rampant nasty. Touch me body boy. I walk and fuck in the nation.
You just have this man, you have the something, you annoy me. You're over this and you breathe, you're in here, you're exhale, and you do a bag of something over this, you know. And you know what? Leave. Leave. Leave out. Leave. You sure I'm leave? Leave, you deaf? Leave. Alright. Jay! What are you doing? Hey, come on, leave. Leave, because you want to go for a long time. But, exhale, like say. Anyway. Why you stress me? What is it? Call it. Hello, Jay? Yeah? Yeah. What's up with the later? Hey, you want to tell me, babes? Some advice me, so come back next time. I'm mad in the dog. Oh, God.
Ready for your card now. Alright.
Yo. I'm the teacher. Vibes Cartel. Someone don't know if me have a student on myself. No, but me have a student on myself. I saw me flow, pa me digicel. Get it? Flow digicel. Vibes Cartel, I'm not ready for reside yet. I got bars in the wine behind it. Everyone I copy the word done. Them a follow me like Instagram.
Yo, artist. You can't say Instagram artist. That they come out after you got jail.
Hold on there. Yo, Shanstam, out here they make Instagram again.
Just in case you never know.
2012?
Oh, yeah, man, do something else.
Everyone take a picture out of my book. Them girl like me. Facebook.
Okay, there should be absolutely no talking. Wait, what's that? On the deaf? No, we hear you. We said no talking. Yeah, on the deaf. Nobody knows we are talk. No talking. On the deaf. On the deaf, we are talk. Anyways, no electronics allowed. If you are found with any electronics, you will be charged with intention to cheat. Please read through the paper thoroughly. Okay, the time is now 1 p.m. You may begin. You have 2 hours. Wait, I want that mirror here. Why use calculator?
Sir, is a watch.
So why you bring a calculated watch in the exam? You're disqualified. Please leave. Leave. Is your water fresh?
Is it tasteless?
Is it too transparent?
It's like, I can't even drink real water no more. Me remember when I little, sometimes I drink water, I thought it tastes like bread. It's like, I don't know what to do no more.
Anthony, it's like said before.
Sir, this is not ER, sir. This is a informational commercial.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Before we move come in the house, water used to taste like ground provision, like hockey and them thing there. You see me, guava. You see me in a tree. Them ground provision thing there, brother. Why you think we didn't use water so much? Cause it tastes like yam. I never have to buy yam for taste yam, man. Water was yam. Why you think it full my belly so much?
Water nowadays is fresh. What do you imagine some water and it all water down? How? Hey? Me like when I drink water, I feel like I catch a high blood pressure. I want to come and give me with fresh water. Yo, I don't need that list.
Can't believe when we do it, we smack it down how we wanna. Keeping it coming, keeping it going, cause we ain't playing. I'm talking to all my people, cause what I'm saying is, in case you ain't knowing, in case you ain't heard, and if you want us to sell it, just give me the word. This one goes down to my soldiers that be flipping them birds. To all my shorties wiggling, they're shaking their curves. But make it up.
Yo, you see why I have to always live a girl's life? You see? Because I'm hungry and you not cook nothing in the yard. I have to eat bread bag and them thing there.
Well, you know, so me Hex have a restaurant.
What?
Me Hex, his restaurant. Me bring back some for you.
Why not this?
Fried chicken and rice and peas. It tastes nice.
What kind of gravy?
Curry. Jesus! Well, you know, so me Hex have a restaurant. Me bring back some for you. Me Hex, his restaurant.
What kind of gravy?
Curry. Yo, calm down now. What you do? You're jealous. Hey Abu,
Hey.
let's show them how we do it in the village.
Abu! Yes, I have the girls up in my village. I am a player to my wives, scrimmage, and yes, we have the chemistry, so no need for the physics. They say my flow is sicker than the people at the clinics. Check out my beats, nothing on my feet. I should only carry Wheezy pretty hoes up in my brief. I should buy a couple shirts and throw the tricks atop my sleeve, but for now, I will stick to wearing leaf.
May I borrow a cup of shirt? May I borrow a cup of your Wi-Fi? Over me, I don't see enough. I want them to can borrow a cup of dust. Seriously? May I borrow a cup of air? May I borrow a cup of cup? How? I kind of constipated someone and I can borrow a cup of shit. Who in the class can use the word wheelchair in a sentence?
Me, sir.
Please, go ahead.
Sir, last week my brother went to church. And when we reached the church, the usher said, we only have 1 seat left and he can only give it to one of us. And we look for the usher and say, that's okay. Wheelchair.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
You tidy up your room?
Yes, mother.
Oh, so the living room tidy up?
Yes, I do everything what you tell me to do. Now I do my homework.
How much time I tell you, don't do nothing in the yard. Don't move, you know. Don't run. Stop doing what I tell you to do. Y'all do homework. Homework.
But I thought you knew of somewhere here. Solution. What do you call the one that go over the TV? Overlay.
Yo,
Hey Instagram, just chilling here with my future husband. Say hi to the camera.
Oh, what future go?
Where look after light for?
Why husband go? Me still can't do them thing, man. Oh, have you done that? Me tell you I can't do them thing, dog. What? Jesus Christ, man. Are we have them? What future go? Eh? Me tell you can't do. Yo. Oh, you know what people probably say them thing, Are we have them, man? You can't do them thing, you know. Me don't tell you about them thing, you know.
Yeah.
Eh? No babes, no man. You come put on live video. Oh, I'm telling you, man.